So my favorite indicator combination, real simple, price and volume. The reason why, that tells you everything that you need to know. There's so much psychology that's built into just simple price and volume that it's going to tell you the entire story if you learn how to listen to it. If you see price bars forming on weekly charts, on daily charts, it's going to show you where the demand is forming, how there's indecision in the market, if price is just chopping around sideways, if there's a lot of fear where you start seeing these wide and erratic price bars and things are all over the place with loads of volume coming in. If you start to see some consolidation and prices tightening up, then that's showing you a dry up in the sentiment, in the fear. And then all of a sudden, when you start to get a breakout from price and volume is starting to come in, that's starting to show you even more of the psychology, that there's buyers that are willing to step in and starting to pay for prices, and how the size of the price bar and the volume that's coming in, that shows you how aggressive either buyers or sellers are stepping into the trade. There is so much to learn just from simple price and volume that you really don't need a whole lot of other things on your chart. I mean, like if you've ever seen any of my charts, and I do a lot of live events now, go to marawealth.com /events. It'll be right down in the description. If you go there and you come to any of the live events, like, you'll see how we're annotating charts, and that there's really there's price, there's volume, there's the relative strength of the S&P 500 or versus the S&P 500, because we're only interested in trading leading stocks, so by definition it should be beating the S&P 500. And you'll see a handful of moving averages. That's pretty much it. like aside from that, there's not a whole lot else that I feel that's really needed. That it doesn't mean that those are the ones that you have to use, but you don't need to have tons and tons of different indicators and stochastics and Bollinger Bands. Like, if you're using those things, great, but it's real easy to go overboard with indicators. Price and volume tell you so much, and the cleaner you're able to keep your charts, the easier it's going to be to see different things. So my favorite indicator, price and volume. That's all you need.